devotees that are very sincere and endeavoring with pure bhakti, they won't go to any heavenly planets. They'll immediately take birth on this earth planet to continue their bhakti bhajan immediately. So it says where. So now it says, now what we heard about where, rich family or Brahmin family or go to high planets or devotee family, transcendentalist. So Prabhupada in that purport, he's saying that the Goswamis and the Vans Goswamis, Advaita Vamsh and Nityananda Vamsh, they are transcendentalists. They are transcendental parivars, durlabham. This is very nice. So then he said, what do they do when they take that birth? Either it be Brahmin family or wealthy person's family, aristocratic or wealthy family. What do? They tatratam buddhi samyogam labate purva dehikam. They labate, they gain what they saw before, right? Labate paurva means purva dehikam, purva dehi. Purva janam, you heard this term, purva janam? So what they saw before, they will take up again. On taking such a birth, he revives the divine consciousness of his previous life, and again he tries to make further progress in order to achieve complete success. Buddhi samyogam bhuya samsiri kurunandana. So again, he tries for perfection.